Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are having a great day. Today I'm making a Thanksgiving bake. You can make this bake before or after Thanksgiving, especially when you want to use up all those extra boxes of stuffing, cranberry sauce, and potatoes. This dish is simple to make, delicious, and comforting. Can't wait to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Let's start off by making the stuffing. I'm using box stuffing and following the box directions. You could of course use leftover homemade stuffing. Oh, and did I tell you this recipe is for 2 Thanksgiving bakes? Yes, that's right, 2. One for now and the other is going into the freezer. I am using 3 pounds of ground turkey, which is about $11 to $12. I am on a budget this Thanksgiving, so it's cheaper for me to buy ground turkey than to buy a whole turkey. You can use leftover turkey if you like to replace the ground one. Brown and then drain the liquid. Now add 1 large chopped onion and 1 diced green pepper. Here I am using half of a green pepper and half of a yellow pepper. You may use 1 green one if that's what you have on hand. Stir well and cook until the vegetables are tender. Add 5 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir and cook for about 3 minutes and set aside. Now cook 5 pounds of potatoes. Mash and add butter and milk. If you don't have milk on hand or don't like it, you could use chicken broth instead. And set aside. Now is a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let's begin layering this Thanksgiving bake. Start with layering half of the mashed potatoes on the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. The other half of the mashed potatoes will be for the second Thanksgiving bake. Now pour 1 12-ounce jar of turkey or chicken gravy all over the mashed potatoes. If you have homemade gravy, that's even better. Layer half of the ground turkey mixture over gravy. Dollop 1 14-ounce can of whole cranberry sauce over turkey. Take half of the stuffing and layer it on top of cranberry sauce. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Cover with aluminum foil and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Let it rest on a cooling rack for 5 minutes before serving. For the bake that's going into the freezer, let it cool completely and then place a sheet of parchment paper on top and then cover with aluminum foil or with a baking dish lid. Freeze and you'll have another delicious Thanksgiving bake for another time. This Thanksgiving bake was delicious. If you want to make only one bake, then use half of all the ingredients. The only ingredient I wouldn't have is the stuffing. Use 2 boxes of stuffing for 1 bake. This is a perfect bite of Thanksgiving goodness. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well, guys, have a wonderful Thanksgiving and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. Remember to be kind and positive. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.